Hello, Mr. Aaron, Mr. Ryan, are you right? Okay, so we're given this 4-digit number, and our task is to split the number into two. We can use the digit, these 4 digits. So we want to split the digit into two, and we want to minimize the sum. For example, like this one. If we split these into 1, 2, and 3, 4. And by the way, you can rearrange these numbers, right? You can be 21 or 43. And we want to minimize sum. So the sum is 46. Can you find the smaller one?
Yes.
What is this?
13 and 24.
13 plus 24, that's 37. That's smaller. And any more?
14 and 23
14 and 23. That's...
is 37.
Is it the same as this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Any more?
14 and 23.
Okay, so basically we can prove false, right? Do we have to try splitting the number into 3 digit and 1 digit?
No. Because 3 digit it'll be bigger.
3 digit will be bigger, yes, because no matter which 3 digit, it's at least 3 digit, right? There will be hundreds, right? There will be hundreds.
How about if you have 1001?
Good question. 1001, okay?
2.
2, yeah, we can have leading zeros. So that obviously this is 01 plus 01, right? It's 2, right? How about this one?
You also can do 1 plus 0, 0.
34 and 2. 54 and 2.
Sorry, what did you say again?
But
You can do 1 plus
54 and 2,
0, 0,
54 and 2, 54 and 2, 54 and 2.
1 plus 001. Ah, okay.
How
Yes,
about
yes.
54
Yeah.
and 2?
Very special case. The
How
point
about-
is that.
How about 3? Well,
So what's for this one? What's the answer?
54 and 2. 54 and 2.
0, 4 plus 23.
This is 27. Okay, so how do you know this is the smallest? So yeah, we can try. I mean, obviously this is just 4 digit. We can prove false, right? 4 digit we can prove false. As we said, we don't want to try the 3 digit thing, right? So how many possibilities? So 4 digit, we just pick 2 as the first number, right? Yeah, this is the number way of picking the 2 digit. And then we need to times 2, right? This is the overall proof false, right? If we don't try 3 digit thing, right? So what's this number? 4 apples, picking 2 apples. Right, there are 4 apples. We just have to pick 2 apples as the first number. And then how many ways? So this is basically 4 apples, picking 2 apples, but with sequence, right? So it's 4 times 3, 12 ways, right? This is just 12 different ways. We have to prove false 12 different ways, right? Okay. So this one, if I saw this number, okay, if I saw this number, this is the smallest, this is the biggest. So obviously this biggest number, where do we want to keep this biggest number?
After 0.
The biggest digit. We want it to be tens or we want it to be ones?
1.
We want it to be ones, obviously, right? So we want it to be ones here. Okay, so here there are 2 numbers plus together. This is the ones. How about this number? This is the smallest.
0. Put it before the 4.
Yeah, so this is, I want to, obviously I want to put it here, right? So here. And then these 2, which one is bigger? 3 is bigger.
Yeah.
So the bigger one, we want to put it in
Right.
the ones, right? Yeah, in the one. So this is the smallest, 27. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, I want to put it in ones. 1, I put it in the tens, and then 2, 3, 37. Okay? This is just common sense, right? The big digit, we want it to be in the ones. The smaller digit, we can put it in the tens. Okay? If we're given this 4 digit, how do we extract each digit? Well, we can convert it to a string, right? One way, or because it's 4 digit, if this is n, right? How do we convert it to each digit? First of all, we convert it to a string, right? Convert it to a string, and then we split it, we convert it to an array of digits, right? And then we have to map it as integer, right? Right? And then we need to sort it, right? So look, this is 2, 3, 4, 1. If this is 2, 3, 4, 1, str, we'll put a quote, that's the string, list, if we do this list, it will become 2, 3, 4, 1, right? This is the list. We map it to integer, so that will become 2, 3, 4, 1, right? And then we sort it, that will become 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's basically what it is, right? And then we just have to return this number times 10 plus this number, and then plus this number times 10, right? Because it's in the tens, plus this number, okay? And now big, okay? Another way of 2, 3, 4, 1, if we want to get it into each number, so this, if this is n modulus 10, that will give us 1, right? And then we need to divide this number into 10, that will become 2, 3, 4. And then we keep doing this, right? We remove the last digit, the ones, a number like 1, 2, 3, 4. How do we get this? How do we get the digit on the ones?
You
Modulus, yeah? Do the modulus, yeah? Modulus 10, right? Yeah? And then how do we remove that last digit? We just divide it by 10, right? Divided by 10, it will be 123.4, but we convert it to an integer, so 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3, 123 modulus 10. Divided by 10, remaining 3, okay? Yeah? Make sense?
what is this 1, 2, 3, 6?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 6 is the same, right? So, right? 1, 2, 3, 6. 6 equals 1, 2, 3, 6 modulus 10. And then 1, 2, 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 6 divided 10, right? In Python, okay? In Python, right? Modulus divided. Yeah, you see? 6. I want to get the rightmost digit, I modulus 10. I want to remove the rightmost digit, I divide by 10. Double divide means to divide by 10 and only keep the integer part. Forget about the fraction, okay? Okay, so what have you learned today? And that's it.
I learned about
Numbers.
there's a 4-digit number and
Split it.
we split it and to get like the lowest sum.
Okay, so do we have to try the 3-digit and 1-digit?
No.
Okay, why?
Because it'll be big.
It will be big, right? 3-digit, you guaranteed. It's a 3-digit thing, right? 3-digit thing, you will guarantee there's 100, right? 100.
Yeah.
Okay, the term complexity is space similarity, 1, right? Because this problem is bounded. There are only 12. If we try to split 4 digits into 2 digits by 2 digits, so it's basically the same thing like 4 apples, picking 2 apples with sequence. That's P 2 apple, 4 apple picking 2 apples is equals, let's pick 2 apples out of 4 apples and then permutate it, okay, permutate it. First of all, we pick 2 apples and then we can rearrange these 2 apples. That's basically the way it is, okay? That's it for today, bye bye. Bye bye.